Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up DeFi Llama to research protocols before investing. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type DeFi Llama and hit enter. This will direct you to the DeFi Llama homepage. Once the page loads, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. Look for the navigation menu at the top of the page. Identify the Protocols section in this menu. Click on Protocols to view a comprehensive list of decentralized finance projects. You will see various columns, such as total value locked, chain, and category. Scroll through the list to find protocols that interest you. To narrow down your search, use the filter options available on the left side of the screen. You can filter by chain, category, and other criteria to suit your research needs. Once you find a protocol you're curious about, click on its name. This will take you to a dedicated page for that protocol. Here, you will find detailed information, including total value locked, historical data, and yield statistics. Look for key metrics, such as the protocol's market share and user growth. Take note of the links to the protocol's official website and social media channels. These resources are valuable for gaining deeper insights. Next, check for any recent news updates regarding the protocol. Assess the community sentiment by exploring forums and social media discussions. To stay informed, consider bookmarking the protocol's page. For further analysis, utilize the charts provided on the platform. These can help visualize the protocol's performance over time. If you're interested in similar protocols, navigate back to the main protocols page. Repeat the process to compare multiple projects. Finally, compile your findings into a document for easy reference. This will aid in making well-informed investment decisions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.